How has a 4-year high of inventory affected our Missoula real estate market? And most importantly, what does that mean for us as we head into fall and winter? Stay tuned as I go through my predictions of what we could expect for the new year. My name is Jeremy Williams with the Bannack Real Estate Group, and I've been a real estate broker here for 20 years. Every month we bring you hyper-local information so you can make smart, educated decisions based on fact compared to what you read about in the traditional news channel. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, this information is for you. Let's start by taking a look at what's going on in the real estate market today. Currently there's 374 houses for sale, which is actually about 6% higher than what we saw last month. So we're increasing inventory. Good news is the market's responded. There's also 18% more under contracts right now than there was the previous month. So as inventory increases, under contracts have been increasing exponentially, which kind of leads into what we've been talking about the last couple of years of our inventory constrained market. Right now, it's a much easier time to find a house that fits your needs than you would have been the last couple of years, or you're going to have certainly less competition than you would have had the last couple of years. A couple trends that we're focused on. Currently, if you've been watching our videos, there's been a mark between a certain price range. Above it, it's been a buyer's market. Below, it's been a seller's market. Well, right now, everything above a 700 price range is a little bit more to a normal or even buyer's market. Everything under 700,000 is still a strong seller's market. If the interest rates stay high, that's going to continue to ratchet down. It's a readjustment of affordability and what people can make payments on. If rates come down, I imagine that's going to go back up and become a little bit more of a seller's market than what we're currently seeing at those higher price ranges. So that's one trend we're paying attention to. Another one that we're watching is absorption rate. It's basically supply and demand. When we have over 3 months supply of houses, we've seen the prices soften. When we have under 3 months supply of houses, we've seen list the sales price be at 100% or more. Right now we're at 3.29 months of inventory, which I expect those list the sales prices to soften off a little bit, probably be about 97 to 99% list the sales price for next month. That's a trend that's been pretty consistent for the last 2 years. That seems to be the breaking point, 3 months of inventory. So that helps us predict what's going to happen in the market, helps us create a strategy when it comes to pricing and where to position your home. So what are my bold predictions as we head through the second half of the year? Well, first, I expect the next couple months to continue strong. And one of the reasons for that is we're starting to see rates soften a little bit. So if that stays that way, that's going to add some more purchasing power for our buyers. Second, as we head into fall and winter, I do expect prices to soften. It's something that we normally see in our cyclical markets. However, we've been averaging 98 to 99% list to sales price. I do expect that to go down to 94 to 98 list to sales price. So it's going to give buyers an opportunity to get a little bit more for their house than they would otherwise. If you're a seller, you want to pay attention to that, because making some changes or some price reductions now might save you money as we head into that different market there. So it's one of the things we're paying attention to. One of the positive things we see going on is we will end the year at 15 to 20% more homes sold this year than we sold last year. What that means is any potential losses that we lose over the winter time, I expect us to rebound and gain them back as we head in the spring and summer of next year. But we still have to be cautious. If you're looking to buy a house, now's going to be a great time to get a little bit more for your money, especially with interest rates coming down and maybe some sellers being a little bit more negotiable than they would other times of the year. And if you're looking to sell your house in the next 2 years, it's really important that we get together and create a strategy so you can figure out the best time to sell to get you out of your home, but most importantly also protect the most amount of equity. If you have any questions, please give me a call. You can reach me at 406-531-1519, and we look forward to talking to you soon.